Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here is Prithvi trying to make the Rubik's Cube. Let's go!
Oh, I'll teach you how to solve one color. Blue. Let's start. The trick is you just need to concentrate. After some time, you will learn how to solve all colors.
Isa?
Okay? After some days.
How's it going?
Very well. And I saw it.
Alright, that is one side.
And I'll tell you the trick how to solve a color. First you need to just concentrate. If you can solve a color, then solve. And there's a middle one here. These middle ones never move from anywhere. If they move, then you can't solve even one. And you can't get them back. That's easy.
Are we done?
No.
Which side are you trying to solve?
White. White is not getting solved, so I'll try my best.
When will you learn how to do the whole Rubik's Cube?
I don't know.
Alright, can I stop recording now?
No,
It's already 2 minutes.
not yet.
Okay, say
Here's
bye.
the light.
Say bye bye.
Not bye. First I need to solve one color, white. Now it's getting solved. I solved.
Alright, very good. What's the trick? How have you learnt it?
I learned it myself. I learned it slowly.
Alright.
The trick is... Okay, bye-bye. The